there, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to work remotely? Imagine the convenience, not just for individuals like myself, but also for companies. It's a game changer in modern work culture. Curious to know more? Well, you are in luck. In today's video, we are exploring remote work strategies for growing businesses. We'll see how these strategies use flexibility and efficiency to help businesses thrive in this modern era. So let's get started and discover how remote work can benefit your business. Imagine this: no more rushing through traffic, no fixed office hours, and the freedom to structure your day around what works best for you. Remote work isn't just a trend. It's a transformative way of doing business that benefits both employers and employees alike. For businesses, embracing remote work opens a world of possibilities. It allows them to tap into a global talent pool, accessing top-notch professionals without the limitations of geographical boundaries. This flexibility not only enhances diversity, but also promotes innovation. But with great freedom comes great responsibility. Managing remote teams effectively requires a strategic approach. Communication becomes paramount. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom bridge the gap, enabling seamless collaboration and real-time updates. Setting clear expectations is another crucial piece of the puzzle. When everyone knows their role and responsibilities upfront, it minimizes confusion and maximizes productivity. Deadlines and milestones keep the team focused, ensuring that projects stay on track even when the team members are scattered across different time zones. Feedback is the key in any work environment, but especially in remote settings where face-to-face interactions are limited. Regular check-ins and one-on-one meetings provide opportunities to offer guidance, celebrate successes, and address challenges before they escalate. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is essential. Remote work blurs the lines between work and personal life, making it easy to overwork. Encouraging employees to take breaks, exercise, and step away from their screens helps prevent burnout and promotes overall well-being. Building a strong team culture can be challenging when your team is dispersed. Virtual team building activities, whether it's virtual coffee breaks or online trivia games, foster camaraderie and strengthen relationships. Celebrating achievements, both big and small, goes a long way in boosting morale and fostering a sense of belonging. Adaptability is the key in world of remote work. Policies and practices should evolve based on feedback and changing circumstances. Embracing flexibility allows businesses to pivot quickly and seize new opportunities as they arise. So folks, remote work isn't just a trend, it's a powerful strategy for business growth. By implementing these strategies thoughtfully, businesses can unlock the full potential of remote work, driving innovation, enhancing productivity, and fostering a positive work environment that attracts top talent. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights. Until next time, stay productive and inspired.